identification, I have to display this. That's what they told me in the class. That's what the law says.
The officer wants to take the
And actually, if I don't display, there's really not much you can do because there is no penalty attached to that. I have to carry this if I'm carrying this.
Are you carrying?
I don't.
What started as a simple traffic stop for a minor turn signal issue quickly escalated into a tense confrontation. The driver, fully aware of his rights, refused to answer questions and demanded a supervisor. But then something shocking happened. The officer suddenly drew his weapon even though the driver was sitting calmly inside the car and made no threatening moves. Was this just a misunderstanding or a clear example of abuse of authority? And in the end, what did the driver actually receive after this dramatic encounter? Watch the full video to see how it all unfolds and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss more real-life encounters like this.
Roll it down?
Why do you pull me over?
I'll tell you that if you roll it down.
Why can't you tell me now?
Because the reason I pulled you over is you were yelling something from your car.
So what?
Huh?
So what? That's why you pull me over because I'm
Because I
yelling?
don't know if you're in need of help or anything.
Oh, I don't need help.
So,
Thank you.
Okay, let me see your driver's license real quick.
I don't need help.
Okay, you got your driver's license?
What for?
Can you use the turn signal when you made a turn?
Of course I did.
Let me see your driver's license.
You can hear the sound on the dash cam too.
Let me see your driver's license. You can just crack the window if that's what you want to do.
It's already cracked.
I can't see that.
Well,
This thing.
it doesn't matter. Here. I don't wish to answer questions.
You have to let me know if there's a weapon in the car. Did you not take the class?
I did.
Did they tell you you have to tell them?
When you demand identification, I have to display this. That's what they told me in the class. That's what the law says.
The officer wants to take the weapon.
And actually, if I don't display, there's really not much you can do because there is no penalty attached to that. I have to carry this if I'm carrying this.
Are you carrying?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so if you have a weapon in the car, then what?
You got one on your hip. So what?
Do I smell alcohol on your breath?
No, you don't.
How do I know?
Because you can't smell my
I
breath?
can smell something coming
Oh,
out.
really?
Let's see. Let me do some field sobriety.
I don't think so.
Okay. Yeah, where are you coming from?
Huh?
Where are you coming from?
You told me where I was coming
Oh,
from.
yeah, I just saw you driving down.
Are you done with this?
I'm done with that, yeah.
All right, cool.
Where are you coming from?
I don't answer questions. I've already told you. Let me know when I'm free to go. Also, what is your name? What's your name? Your name? Sheriff, that's your name? Sheriff?
Right above it, right there. You see it?
I'm not familiar with the English alphabet, sir.
Be on the ticket.
Okay, can I have an incident number, please? Oh, a ticket, okay.
So you get there, while I have you here, okay? I don't want you exiting the vehicle because you have a weapon in the car.
Did I exit the vehicle? Did I exit the vehicle?
Give you a heads up.
Did I exit the vehicle? Hey, can I? You do have a dash cam, right? Very good. You can't just pull me over because I said fuck the police. I hope you realize that. Stupid fuck. I'm sorry?
You have insurance on the vehicle?
Yeah,
Can you show it to me, please? It doesn't come back.
of course it comes back.
Not on my system, it doesn't. Also, it's not typical behavior for somebody to be yelling out of the vehicle. Have you had anything to drink tonight? Is that your current address, 1622?
Is that a question?
Yes, sir. Is that your current
Do
address?
I answer questions?
Okay, I'll just assume that's incorrect then.
And why would you do that?
Ask you a simple question.
Did you read my address on the driver
It
license?
didn't have an address. It didn't
That-
have an apartment number on your driver's
Of course it
license.
does.
Let me see. Can you verify?
You've already seen it. I've already complied with that part.
I know, but I'm just saying it didn't have a driver. It didn't have an apartment number
Of course it does.
on your address, on your driver's license.
Man.
Okay, I'll be right back. Yeah, I say that I've never met anybody quite like you that would yell at an officer doing their job. But
So,
you have a great
let
day.
me
There's no
understand.
warnings, no fines, no penalties.
May I ask you a question?
This question's on there. There's the address.
Yeah,
There's
no, I
the-
have a
there's
question.
an incident
Can you
number
get your
on the thing right
supervisor
there.
here, please?
No,
Is the stop over?
the stop is over. You may leave.
All right.
I don't exit until I get out. Until I leave.
Well, you said the stop is over, right?
Don't get out, bro.
Okay, I'm not getting out. I will.
Open the door. Let me get back in my car.
Okay, there is no need to draw your weapon, man. Are you fucking drawing your weapon, you fucker? I didn't get out of the car. You told me that already. Yeah. Did I get out of the car? Go fuck yourself. Yeah, right over there you can. A warning? A warning? For what? What the fuck? It doesn't even say why. Failed to signal with turn indicator within 100 feet.
We can clearly see how a simple stop over an alleged failure to signal within 100 feet quickly escalated. The driver asserted his rights, refused to answer unrelated questions, and requested a supervisor, all of which are perfectly legal. Yet, instead of staying calm, the officer suddenly drew his gun while the driver remained seated inside the vehicle. This was clearly an excessive response and could even be seen as an unjustified threat to the driver's life. What do you think about the officer's actions in this situation? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to see more real-life encounters about civil rights and dealing with the police.
Okay, well, thank y'all again.
Okay, and there's another dog over there.
Answer no questions once again, man.
When officials showed up at the door to investigate the situation quickly turned tense. The homeowner firmly insisted this was private property and refused to answer any questions, while the officers kept pushing to complete their procedure. Who's going to back down first? The homeowner defending his right to privacy, or the officials determined to leave with answers? Watch until the very end to see the unexpected outcome. And don't forget to drop a comment sharing your thoughts. Whose side are you on? The citizen protecting his rights, or the authorities just doing their job?
Yeah, man, that's what y'all still doing on my property. It's a sign that says no trespassing. So how may I assist y'all?
Just need to get your name, please.
Ma'am, did you already call me by my name?
Is that your name, Jamal Ward?
I answer no questions.
Okay. I need to know your dog's names and information of them.
Ma'am? You need to know my dog's name and information of them?
Yeah.
Why would you need to know that?
Every animal we come in contact with, we need their name, their
You
age.
haven't came in contact with my animal, ma'am. My animal's not loose.
We're here about a call for bark.
My animals are not loose. Y'all have not came in contact with my animals.
Okay.
What had happened is, sir, somebody had called to complain that your dogs are barking all day. So we just want to.
Do you hear? Hold on, listen.
Go ahead.
Y'all hear that?
Yes.
Okay, there's somebody else dog barking all day too, right?
Right, but they-
Okay, well listen to me. I answer no questions, and I would like for y'all to leave my property, okay? That's about as far as we could take this here today. I'd like for y'all to leave my property, and
You own the house? You're the homeowner?
once again, I answer no questions, but I would like for y'all to leave my property. Thank you again.
Okay, so anytime a dog is outside for more than an hour, they do need a doghouse present? Are we able
All of
to
my
see
dogs
that
have
the dogs
doghouse.
everything?
You're not coming in my backyard. No.
Okay, so how can we fix this?
Well, if you can look through that gate right there, you can see a doghouse right there. You can see a doghouse inside the fence that's built. So, you know, if they can help you, but other than that right there, I answer no questions, and also as well.
Is a water bucket present?
You can look through that. You can look through that little hole right there. The fence is broken. I have no problem with that, but other than that, I need y'all to leave.
Okay, well, we have to finish this call out before we can leave, so we need to ask you a few questions. Are you able to cooperate?
I'm going to remain silent. Okay. Might I go that way as well? Excuse me.
Yeah.
Where's the doghouse at?
Oh, that's right there.
Hey, excuse me. Let me show you. Excuse me.
What's this one's name?
I'm not giving you my dog's name. You don't need to know my dog's name. But it's a doghouse right there, water bucket right there, and another water bucket right there as well for these two.
Okay, is this dog friendly?
He's a puppy.
Okay.
Now, I didn't say you could come on my property and take pictures of my dogs.
Well, I have to prove that things that your safety has, so that we put in the call for you.
Okay, well, thank y'all again.
Okay, and there's another dog over there.
Answer no questions once again, man.
Well, we need to complete the call, so we need this information. So we have to come out until we complete it. You guys, you're not able to give any information?
I'd have gave you all the information that you need, man. This is my property. You don't need none of you. Why you need to know my dog's name?
That one's Mercedes over there?
I don't know. Why do you need to know my dog's name? If you already know my dog's name, then why are you asking me what my dog's names are?
I don't know your dog. That's why I'm asking.
You just said that was their name, Mercedes.
I was asking if that's what's Mercedes.
Yeah, you're right. So you should happen to know my dog's name then, right?
Can I talk to you over to the side for a minute?
Yeah, what's your name and your badge number? Your shield number?
Gray.
What's your shield number?
4107.
Okay.
We can talk over just a minute. So, I don't know the whole scoop of what we just got caught out here for these guys. Okay, I guess like I said, there was a complaint about a barking dog. I don't think they're here to like try to take your dogs or anything like that. It's just part of their job. They got to make sure the dogs got food, water, and shelter. I don't think anybody's trying to give you beef or a hard time. If you cooperate with them, I'd appreciate it. We can get out of here pretty quick. But
Oh well, I'm not gonna. I'm ready for y'all to start off for y'all to go. Really, you know.
Okay.
Other than that, I don't answer no questions, and my dogs they're taken real care of, and other dogs in the neighborhood bark as well. So maybe y'all should go over there as well and go knock on their door and talk to them about their dogs barking as well.
Yeah, we received a complaint. If you're interested in finding out who did that, you can fill a FOIA form out at the shelter at 616 North Spring Street.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Y'all have a good one.
It's clear that the homeowner stood firm in protecting his privacy and property rights. He refused to let anyone cross the line, while also showing that his dogs were properly cared for. On the other hand, the officials insisted on completing their procedure, but in doing so seemed to push for unnecessary personal information. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you support the homeowner's determination, or do you side with the officials just doing their job? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life encounters like this.